Favorite memory, madami. Kasi close ako sa mami ko. So, lagi ako nagsiset up ng get together. Hindi na kami or nakatira sa isang bahay. Pero lagi ako nakikipag-meet sa kanya every now and then, syempre. Tapos lagi naman kami nag-uusap. So, pero if I had to choose one, siguro nung graduate ako ng college. Kasi favorite moment ko with her yon memory. Kasi nakompleto ko yung napaakyat ko siya sa stage. Tapos napasabit ko siya ng medal. Yan. Malaking bagay yun sa akin kasi it's a form of me paying back whatever she did for me. All of the sacrifices and lahat ng ginawa niya para sa akin. Form of giving back sa kanya. Describe my mom in one word. Just one? Yeah, amazing. I think is the perfect word to describe her. Amazing because she does everything for us. All throughout my life, she has sacrificed so much. Ang dami niyang sinakripisyo para sa amin. Para lang kami ng kuya ko, magkaroon kami ng best experience, best education, nakatutok siya sa amin. At the same time, meron siyang career na minemaintain. She's a Wonder Woman. I'm not sure how she was able to get through everything. Ngayong adult na ako, nare-realize ko kung gaano kahirap yung mga pinagdaanan niya at patuloy niyang pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Pero, yun, she's an amazing person. And she's the best mom in the world. Yeah. I'd have to say she's kalahati sila siguro ng dad ko. Kasi the reason why I took mass comm is because of them. Kasi pareho silang mass comm graduate. So yun lang talaga yung alam ko na course. Pero malayo yung kurso niya yung trabaho niya sa bangko kasi siya. Pero in terms of influence, and siguro influence lang on my performance. Kasi yung mommy ko lagi siyang nakatutok sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. Sportscasting, she watches all of my games, she watches all of my game changer episodes, and siya lang siguro yung malayang nakakapag-criticize sa akin at nakakapag-comment na hindi ako masasaktan at hindi ako, kumbaga syempre pag performance mo defensive ka. Pero siya, sinasabi niya, pinupuri niya ako kung okay yung performance ko. Pero sinasabi niya sa akin yung dapat kong ma-improve, yung mga areas of improvement ko. And yun I think yung pinakamalaking, matatawag mo ba yung influence pagdating lalo sa performance, especially as a media person. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na hindi mo mapapansin kung critical ka sa sarili mo, papanoorin mo yung sarili mo, yung mga performances mo, sige may maninitpick ka. Pero panggaling sa ibang tao, lalo galing sa magulang mo, alam yung strengths mo and yung weaknesses mo, sila yung nakakapigbigay sa'yo ng mas authentic siguro, mas genuine na mga comments. Her sacrifices for us, that was a lot. She had to sacrifice a lot for her career kasi initially she wanted to be a mom to us and have a career at the same time, and the only thing that was possible back then was for her to take a backseat in her career and para makauwi siya ng alas 5 ng gabi, tapos mag-focus siya sa amin dalawa ng kuya ko while doing so many other things for us at home. Nung adult na ako, yun yung nakita ko, sabi ko, paano niya ginawa yun? Paano niya naisingit lahat yun sa schedule niya? Paano niya na itawid lahat yun sa buhay namin? Yun yung pinaka na-appreciate ko, yung mga sacrifices niya. And she needed, I wouldn't be the person I am today kung hindi niya ginawa yung sacrifices na yun. Pero dahil ginawa niya yun, nakatutok sa amin ng kuya ko nung nag-aaral kami, ito yung naging bunga. I want to give her the best life. Lahat ng hindi niya na-experience nung pinapalaki nila kami, syempre, they're preoccupied with their careers, their jobs, and, raising us. Lahat ng hindi niya na-experience, lahat nung mga pwede pa niyang ma-experience sa buhay because she's approaching 60, gusto kong maibigay yun sa kanya. And I only want the best for her, and I'm gonna give it to her sometime in the future. That's a promise. Yeah.